Changing your home area on YouTube TV is important when you move to a new city or location. Your home area determines which local channels, news, and sports broadcasts you receive. Here's how to update it properly. Step 1. Open YouTube TV on a web browser. You can only change your home area from the YouTube TV website, not the mobile app. Visit tv.youtube.com and sign in using your Google account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Step 3. Select Area from the menu on the left. Click Area. Here you'll see your current home area and your current playback area. Step 4. Update Home Area. Click Update next to Home Area. YouTube TV will detect your location based on your device's IP address. Make sure you're physically in your new home city and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Confirm the change. Once YouTube TV identifies your new location, select Confirm. Your local channels will update instantly. Important notes. You can change your home area only twice per year. You must be connected to your home Wi-Fi during the update. Changing the home area affects all profiles under your subscription. And that's it. Your YouTube TV home area is now updated.